new day, and it's Sunday and it was supposed to be good weather. It's getting a little colder again, but now I found out that I can go out and try to put in the second row of seats because I have nothing else that needs to be done. This one had been lying outside on the roof during the whole winter, so at least the smell should have gone out of the seat. So now I can just take it back to the car and start fitting it. Yeah, I got the seat back to the car. Now the question is it as easy as I believe? 2 screws in the front there, or this one, and then 2 screws in the back and plastic covering. The 2-seater is in its right place, only have to fix one more screw in the front here. One seat is in. Have to clean it, of course. Dusty on some things. But then I can go and pick up the other. There. This has to be on the front, on the sides. This step down. Here. One left something to play nice. Yeah, oh, that one is in the right place too. The seats are back in the car. It's only some small minor things, but it's holding up the process. I have to clean up this because since this thing I've been standing outside on the roof the whole winter. It's very dusty, not dirty, but I washed it properly last autumn, but it's there. Back seat is back. Thank you. Hopefully this will be a short video for today. It's no point making them long every time. This was a very easy job. So I hope you like this simple information. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll come back with more on this car, about the Kia in the garage, and a lot of other projects, both four-wheel drives and sports car and luxury cars and Lexuses and things. Thank you.